take my... Let me see.
House in 1951. Our folk confused. Let me try and explain that. Wilton Park, Senior Programme Director here, and give you a very warm welcome on behalf.
Our energy security essentially is threatened by the fact that difficulties for some of us to understand our enormous abundance of North Sea oil and gas has now diminished to the extent that we are either are in one case and will be in the other case net importers, and our climate security is threatened as the security of the whole world is threatened. How are we going to do it? By reducing carbon dioxide both at home and abroad, and we deliberately start by saying at home. As you know, under Tony Blair, the UK has adopted a strong and deliberate leadership posture and has committed itself to CO2 emissions reductions above and beyond the international obligations set by the Kyoto Protocol, and we continue to do that in the hope that we will thereby stimulate further action abroad.
And the exciting thing is 13 other states have now said that they will be adopting our standards. We just need to get the waiver from the federal government, the Environmental Protection Agency. It doesn't require a vote of Congress, and it doesn't require approval by the President, but the Environmental Protection Agency should procedurally grant us this waiver, just as they've done over 40 times in a row for other programs that we've implemented over the last several decades.
Among the 20-some developed countries, we only cover the 30% of the global emissions at this moment. 70% are coming from the developing countries, especially from China, Brazil, and some other huge emitting nations.
It's a very difficult time for China. As you know, China with very big population and with fast economic growth. That means there will be a lot of energy demand. The energy demand means emission increasing. As you mentioned, yes, in the world, it's a special developed world. It have the agreement of the reduction of the emissions, but China have the increasing.